This is another example, a slightly slower time frame. This time we're on the weekly chart. This is for Ford with the ticker F. And again, really to highlight the importance of the cluster factor of the accumulation and distribution indicator. And here you can see it. We were in congestion for a long time around the $10, $11 per stock, per share. Trading around this region, lots of levels building, a huge amount of well, it was both support and resistance. Clearly, obviously, it's acting in congestion. But once it breaks below this level, down into the $8, then we saw this collapse in price. Yes, it was also helped by the pandemic for sure. But these very, very minor levels of potential support at that place. We had potential support here, and again potential support there, and finally one at the bottom here. So all very minor levels. Nothing substantial that is going to provide any technical support for that particular stock. And also, more importantly, once it's broken away from such a cluster region, when you've been in congestion for a long period on a chart and it then breaks down, in much the same way as indeed on any chart where you have congestion and you're trading a breakaway or a breakout phase of price action, these regions really give you a very strong area to place your stop loss in. So plenty of protection. Now this may be too much of a stop loss. This is almost what $1.50 maybe. But certainly, it gives you those various levels. And I say, it is another facet of the indicator. It's great for giving you that indication of where to put your stop loss. For example, if you didn't want to put it that wide, maybe you're trading this short, you might put it above this little cluster here, because this is pretty strong. These are two levels which have been tested 3 times each. So together they're pretty strong. So, above that sort of level would certainly give you quite a strong level of resistance in the event of any pullback against you. So just wanted to highlight this very different time scale, just to show you that the indicator works on all the various time frames, from literally the 15-second chart right the way through to the weekly. It works in exactly the same way. The indicator is constantly rebuilding. Every time a level is revisited, that level is being rebuilt. And that is going on as a constant process, and it doesn't matter whether you're on a fast chart or something very, very slow like this on the weekly time frame. It's exactly the same principles apply across the time frames. And of course, it works in all markets. We're on stocks here for the time being. Of course, it'll work on indices, index futures, currency futures, work in the spot market. Whichever chart you particularly apply it to, ETFs, whatever it is, it'll work. So I hope you've enjoyed this particular video. I'll be doing a few more. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye for now.